Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to pay with your Venmo balance. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Venmo application. So if you're on your PC, you're going to go and be opening up Venmo.com in your browser and it's going to look like this. If you're on your mobile phone, just go ahead and download the Venmo application and after that open it up. So once you have opened it up, now we can get started. First thing we need to do is log in. So if you do not already have an account, what you want to do is go ahead and register for an account. Go ahead and register for an account, sign up for an account that you're going to be using. If you already have an account, just log in normally. So once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page of the application that looks like this. This is going to be your home page from where we can get started. In the main page, we can go ahead and access all the main settings, such as the home settings. We have our card settings right here, our account settings, and now we can get started using our Venmo balance for payment. So the first thing we need to do is to add some balance to our account. If you do not already have a Venmo balance, you can do so in two ways. Either if you do not want to add any cards to your account, you can just have somebody send you money. So somebody can send you money using the request option right here, send you money directly to your Venmo, and once you receive it, you're going to go and have it in your Venmo balance that you'll be able to use for payments. But if you want, you can go ahead and connect any of your credit cards or bank accounts that you want to use in your card section right here. That's going to enable you to top up your balance directly from your cards, so that whenever you have any money on your cards, you'll be able to go and top up your balance on Venmo. And once you have gotten your balance, now you can get started the payment section. So as you can see here at the bottom of the page in the middle section, we have the pay section that we can click on. So click on pay, and the pay button is going to enable you to pay anybody that accepts Venmo. So you can either go and pay somebody directly on Venmo, or you can use Venmo as a payment option on, let's say, TikTok shop or some other online shop. When selecting your payment method, you can select Venmo and then just connect your account and use your Venmo balance for payments, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.